The collaboration between Xbotz.ai and Dormint heralds a new era in the fusion of AI technology with wellness, particularly focusing on the crucial aspect of sleep. This ambitious partnership aims to leverage the cutting-edge capabilities of Xbotz.ai's AI-driven solutions to enhance the user experience on Dormint's innovative platform, which rewards users for healthy sleep patterns. This expertise is not just about streamlining operations, but also about fostering meaningful interactions, thereby making AI an accessible and practical tool in everyday tasks. Dormint stands out in the health and wellness arena with a unique proposition, a platform that incentivizes users for maintaining healthy sleep habits through Web 3.0 technologies. This initiative addresses a vital component of personal health, offering a solution that is both engaging and rewarding. The partnership between these two projects is more than a mere collaboration. It's a visionary blend of AI's potential with the imperative of health and wellness. This integration is aimed at enhancing the overall user experience, making it more intuitive and user-friendly, thereby encouraging more individuals to adopt healthier sleep habits. The bots developed by Xbotz.ai are not only designed to automate tasks, but also to understand and predict user needs, offering solutions that are tailored and timely. This capability is particularly important in navigating users through Dormint's platform, where the AI can guide, suggest, and help users understand their sleep patterns and how best to improve them. Dormint's standout feature is its focus on a critical, yet often overlooked aspect of health: sleep. By creating a platform that not only monitors sleep patterns, but also rewards users for healthy behavior, Dormint is setting a new standard in the health and wellness tech space. The collaboration with Xbotz.ai amplifies this by integrating advanced AI to personalize user experiences further, making the journey towards better sleep not just rewarding, but also enjoyable.